Let's get into box number 3. This is going to be gold standard. Box number 3 in here, UltimateBoxBreaks.com, 3 of 5. Here's everybody in the break. Good luck to you. I'm feeling it. This box. Something weird is going to come out of this box. I'm sure Emily's thinking, hopefully it's a weird Cam Newton. So, here is that serial number, if it'll focus. Here we go. 7106. Like I said, I'm looking halfway across the room right now. My laptop kind of punked out on me. All right, let's see what we got. First card going to be LT. Going to the Jets. Jets have been getting mad hits tonight. 219, 299. So going to Eric A. Good to see you back, buddy. Then BJG all the way out in Hawaii. Just chilling, too. I can only imagine. If you're out in Hawaii, you're just chilling. 231, 299. There you go, buddy. Cowboys, Eric A. This is Dwayne Harris. 151 of 299. There we go, bud. We have Franco Harris for the Steelers, going to Kristen H. And that's 273 of 299. Redskins, we have Evan Royster. So that's going to Kristen V. 06. Sorry. Card number 6 out of 299. There you go. Then we have Matt Schaub for the Texans, going to Ryan L. 172, 299. There you go, bub. Then we have Ahmad Bradshaw for the Giants, going to BJG, Gold Rush. And that's 210 out of 299. There you go, buddy. First hit, going to be for the Eagles, Adam T. It's going to be Deshaun Jackson, Gold Reserve, Jersey 102, 299. And there's that. Then we have Braylon Edwards for the Jets, Eric A. There you go, buddy. Little jersey. And that's 52 out of 99. And he comes back for one round, and he's got the hot hand. Julio Jones. Nice. BJG. There you go, buddy. So Julio Jones on card auto. Just one colored patch. I don't know what's up with the one colored, but this is 191 out of 525. So really nice hit, buddy. I like that a lot. Then for the Saints, Adam T. Going to get a Cameron Jordan. Auto, rookie, 58 out of 499. There you go, buddy. And last card, going to Trey K. This is Ryan Whalen for the Bengals. Rookie autograph, 34 out of 499. So there's that for you, Trey. All right, guys, we are still searching. All right, so let me go ahead and save this video. Then we'll go ahead and jump right on to